Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can update the color setting at Shopify Plus checkout pages. So we need a GraphQL app installed, and we need these following scopes. So open that and click on read and write checkout branding settings, and then we need to copy the URL of your store and then click on install. I have already installed this app, so it will ask me to update the permissions. So now I have the GraphQL app. So let's run the query to retrieve the store checkout profile IDs. I'll copy this and I will paste that over here. What this will do, it will grab the checkout profile IDs. Those are published. So I click on run the query. Now I have the profile ID. Let me copy this number and save that over here. I comment that. The next thing we are going to do, configure the global color settings. So let me grab this query. We can update the brand, accent, decorative, critical, warning, success, and info. So for the brand, we can change the primary and secondary buttons such as Pay Now button. So let's try to change the brand color. Copy this query and make another query and paste that over here. Then copy the query variables and paste that over here. And here we are going to add the profile ID. So let me copy this and change the profile ID. And if I run this query, the query was successful, and if you see now this is the default checkout page, and if I reload, you will notice the color of the button is changed. So you can add any color you like. So let's try to grab some colors. So let's try this red color, copy that and change that over here. And run the query again and reload the page. And now you will notice the button color is changed. And now let's explore that more. Configure the color scheme. In this way, we can change the background, border, icon, text, accent, decorative of these things which are described here. So let's try to copy this query and paste that over here. Copy this one and paste that over here again. We need to change the profile ID. So let's grab that from here again and change the profile ID. Now run the query. Query was successful. Now reload the page again, and now one more time. And now you will notice we have a green color over here, and let's try to change that into the red. So copy that and replace that over here. We need to change the text color. We are going to change the only text and border colors, not the background. So I will run the query again and reload the page. Now you can see the color is changed. So let's try some other colors. So let me copy this one and go back here. Run the query again and reload the page. And now you can see the color of the headings are changed. So you can apply any color you would like. So it's very easy to update the checkout branding through GraphQL API. Thank you.